How to insert icons in Microsoft Excel. To insert icons in Microsoft Excel, you can use the Icons feature to add small visual symbols that represent various concepts, actions, or ideas. Icons can enhance the visual appeal and clarity of your worksheets. Here's how you can insert icons. Open your Excel workbook. Launch Microsoft Excel and open the workbook where you want to insert icons. Select a worksheet. Click on the worksheet where you want to insert icons. Insert icon. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on the Icons button. This will open the icon pane on the right side of the Excel window. Choose an icon. In the icon pane, you'll see a collection of categorized icons. Click on a category to expand it and see the available icons. Select the icon you want to insert by clicking on it. The icon will be inserted into the cell you currently have selected. Resize and format the icon. After inserting the icon, you can click and drag its edges to resize it. You can also format the icon by selecting it and using the Format tab that appears in the ribbon when an icon is selected. Here, you can change the icon's color, outline, and effects. Move the icon. Click on the icon to select it, then click and drag to move it to a different location on the worksheet. Adjust layering. If you have multiple icons or other objects, you can change their layering order by right-clicking on an icon and selecting Bring to Front, Send to Back, or other options. Delete or modify the icon. Right-click on the icon to access options to delete, duplicate, or modify the icon's properties. Customize icon sets, conditional formatting. Additionally, Excel also allows you to use icon sets as part of conditional formatting to visually represent data values with different icons based on certain conditions. This is commonly used in data visualization. Remember that icons are a great way to visually communicate information in your Excel worksheets. They can be used in conjunction with data or text to make your spreadsheet more visually appealing and informative.